Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to handle array index out of bound exception. This is the most common type of exception in programming languages. It occurs when you try to access an index of which is greater than the maximum index of the array. So let's start. First I am going to define a names array with 4 elements. So string names James, Ashley and Kevin, June. Now I will print out all the elements of the array. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than names dot length, I is equal to I plus 1. I am starting from 0 as the first element of this array is at 0 index. And each time we will iterate through every element of the array. And it will stop when it will become equal to the length of the array, which is 4 here. So now let's print out the result. Names I, run the program. So you can see it is printing out all the results. James, Ashley, Kevin, June. Now let me change a little bit. +1. I'm trying to access an index which is not the part of the names array. So let's run the program again. Okay, you can see it is giving an array index out of bound exception saying 4. You can see the maximum index is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, and you are trying to access the fourth element here. It will be handled in the same way as we handle arithmetic exception. So try catch exception E. So I will print out system.out.println you are trying to access space index plus I plus while the maximum index of the array is names dot length -1. Now run the program. So you can see what I was trying to do here. You're trying to access index 4 while the maximum index of the array is 3. So now I'm going to make another change which will not affect the running of the program in any way. I'm going to replace exception class with array. So I am specifically trying to catch array index out of bounds exception. Before it was catching any type of exception here, but now it will only catch array index out of bounds exception. It is extremely important to explicitly catch every type of exception and have different actions appropriate to that type of exception. This is all for now. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this tutorial.